Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again. Today we're gonna have a video about quite an interesting differential. It's a front differential from a 2006 BMW X5 4.8 IS, which is E53 body. This differential was installed only on 4.8 IS and 4.6 IS. And restyling diesel models. It's a 3.91 to 1 gear ratio, and it has one issue. The differential pin tends to come out over time and ruins the whole differential. This is a replacement for the one that has already been ruined. We're going to take it apart and see if we can prevent the failure by doing some modifications. Okay, we're going to start the disassembly now. This one looks like it's still alive. I don't see any metal in the oil. It looks like in a very good condition, clean. Yeah, perfect. Nothing. No scratches. Bearing races are good. Bearing itself is good. Not a single filing yet. Look at this oil coming out. It's clean. It's beautiful. Nice. So we can still save this one. Let's spin the pinion. See how that spins. Hold it. I don't feel anything bad with this bearing, and it feels like it's got some preload. Okay, we got a good unit. So this pin apparently comes out. Oh yeah, I can see it move. Well, some free play on the pin could be okay. So I suppose it comes out into the ring gear. It looks like on either side, it just comes out into the ring gear, and there maybe starts touching pinion and then grinding all kinds of metal, and then it's all downhill from there. We are cleaning it now. Before we start any work on it, we need to make sure it's clean. We're using the penetrating oil to just clean off all the dirt. It tends to be very helpful in cleaning the dirt. Yeah, very dirty differential. Lots of dirt. Insane amounts. But not destroyed. Yuck. Yucky. This is the dirt in that drain pan.
diffs.
Yeah, the metal is fine.
Да, видишь, он тут совсем free.
All the pins I know are free in the differentials. None of them are like locked. I'm thinking the best idea would be to just get like a washer to cover it up and then weld it to the case. So on each side. And the washer would just hold it from moving in and out. That way it'll still be free spinning, so that the gears don't bind or anything. And
Good idea.
and it will be held, like it will not be coming out. I think maybe like a centrifugal force kind of makes it go out, or maybe poor design combined with centrifugal force. Maybe too much load and turning at the same time. Like vehicle coming out of a turn, flooring it. Yeah, and then it just works too much. There is too much tension in there, too much pressure, and it just kind of slides out. And as soon as it touches that ring gear, it's a game over. So the upgrade on the differential that we're going to do is we're gonna just hammer it with the punch so that this malleable iron piece is going to deform and kind of squeeze that pin in more so it doesn't wobble itself out. Let's see how it works. The pin is not turning. It was turning before. It's no longer turning.
At all.
Yeah, at all. That's great. So we're just gonna do a couple more on each side.
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay. So now let's see if we can focus the camera on it. Yes, we can. Okay, now it's focused right on it. You can see how it's deflected. The malleable iron actually deformed and squeezed that pin right in the spot there. It's not moving at all now. I think that's the easiest and the fastest and also the best upgrade that's possible to do here. And also it is the safest one. We were thinking of drilling through that pin with the little another pin through it, but that's not reliable. It could also fall out. We were thinking of welding a washer to the other side. That could also fall out, and that could weaken that malleable iron. And if we were to weld the washer to the pin, it would weaken the pin. We didn't want any of that. So we decided to just do a few of those punches on each side, and that'll be it for the upgrade. A little bit of a screw up, but that's okay, not a big deal. Punch a little further now. Don't have to punch it that close, it's still malleable even at a higher distance. Okay, beautiful. We screwed up a little bit on this one, but it doesn't matter. We're just gonna chip off that piece so it doesn't chip itself off into the gears when it's working, and it'll be fine. The pin is now squeezed tight in there. Beautiful. Pin is now squeezed tight and it's not coming out for sure. Well, not in the near future, we shall say.
We'll see.
But we will see. Max is really liking to come out of those sharp turns quickly, and we'll see how that goes. If that fails, we're getting a quaife next time. We're just putting in a quaife differential and forget about all this nonsense altogether. We're gonna put it all back together into the case. We're not gonna show you how to put it back together because it's not really needed. It's pretty straightforward. Just put it in and screw it together. Thanks for watching and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.